Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis by covering the gold market and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
The price of gold has lost 0.3% in the last session. The CCI has moved into negative territory. The euro-dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator moved into the negative zone. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last session. The RSI has transitioned into positive territory. The Aussie dollar pair has lost 0.5% in the last session. The ADX has shifted sharply into positive territory.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
Investors are gauging how a potential deterioration in President Donald Trump's health could impact asset prices in the coming weeks. Bitcoin started to stumble after the U.S. Commodities and Futures Trading Commission and Department of Justice leveled charges against BitMEX's founders. BMW's M8 Grand Coupe is still available, as is an optional competition package, but pandemic-related supply issues trim the U.S. M8 lineup for now.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Australian RBA interest rate decision will be released at 1:30 GMT. The German factory orders at 400 GMT, the UK construction PMI at 6:30 GMT. The U.S. trade balance at 10:30 GMT, the U.S. Red Book at 10:55 GMT, and the U.S. API weekly crude oil stock at 18:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.